So a lot of times when people see retaining walls and bulkheads, and even along construction sites, they'll see this black fabric and don't really understand what it's for. Well, it's silt control. And if you notice, between the boards, you can see daylight through here. If you didn't have this fabric on, every time the water level got too high, sand would start sifting through, and that's where you start getting bulkheads that will end up with voids behind them. Now, a lot of times people want to drop concrete in there in order to seal it up. That doesn't work. The water just goes around the concrete. So if you've got an old bulkhead that's leaking and getting voids behind it, fill it with gravel, pea gravel, or larger rock, 3/4 inch, 1 inch. What that does is it gives some place for the water to go, but it allows the water to leave again without washing the sand out, because the gravel is controlling the speed that the water is leaving versus just taking all the sand with it. But the fabric is a must if you're putting up any type of bulkhead or any place where you want to control the sand. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.